In this video, we will talk about big picture analysis to get a view of the market. In big picture analysis, we look at the broad markets to know where activity is more and help us focus there. Study of broad market indices and indicators which can guide us to identify where there is more opportunity to make profits. Some of the indicators we will use to do the study are market quality, new high, new low index, sector analysis with money flow. Let's begin with market quality. This is a measure to find the type of market at present. This will be in 5 levels: strong bullish, that is in dark green, bullish light green, neutral is yellow, bearish is orange, and strong bearish is deep red. So each market type will give us different kind of returns and will require a different kind of approach to make profits. So current market, we have just entered into the neutral zone. In this level, it can give more false signals, more trades are likely to fail. So what we need to do here is either stay away or have a strict stop loss on trend following positions, while mean reversion systems will work beautifully in this condition when the markets are in neutral zone. Next, we will look at the strength of the stocks. How many stocks are trading above the 50-day moving average? At present, 73% of the stocks in the market are trading above their 50-day moving average. When major portion of the market is up, it supports bullish stance. So let's look at where the stocks are positioned. In this picture, blue zone in the top part is stocks trading within 5% of their higher prices, within 5% of their highs. Red zone is those trading at more than 20% below their highs. So we can see that blue portion is slowly increasing. Blue portion at the top part is slowly increasing. This means many stocks in the market are holding to their higher prices, an indication of strength again. Next, we come to the new high, new lows index. This is a unique indicator showing us who is leading the market. If there are more new highs, it means leadership is on the bullish side. On the other hand, if there are more lower lows, then market is about to slide. So we shall look at this in 3 time periods to get a feel of what is in store now and up to the year. This first chart here is 30 days new high, new low index, where there was a very strong bearish divergence, which means though the market was moving up, there were lesser number of stocks reaching for new highs. This is a sign that market is getting weak. This week there is a breakout. The new highs line started moving above the previous peaks. This indicates that market is turning up. More new highs are getting registered in the market on the 30 days look back period. Next, we will look at the same new high, new lows in the 90 days look back period. Here also it had a similar pattern. There were lower highs coming like what we had in 30 days, while it was shallow. Now even here there is a strength getting built up. Previous high has been broken in the index. Next, we look at the 52-week new high, new low. Here it is not hit any weakness. It is straightly going up and it is supporting the current market rally. So weakness in the short periods are getting overpowered now. Bulls are returning is the message that these indicators are giving us as of now. Next, we go to CAPS NHNL. Here we look at who is leading the higher lows. Is it big businesses that are leading, then the strength will continue. Instead, if it is smaller companies that are leading on the new highs, it will not support a big upside in the stock market. So here currently, even this indicator, which had a very high weakness on the number of highs and values, has turned up at the right edge. This red arrow indicates as the market kept moving higher and higher, we registered lower number of value on the new highs. Now that is broken. The green arrow shows we have broken the nearest highs and the stance is getting strong. Next, we will look at the strength which was almost equal on both sides. This was the last 10 days of new high, new lows, capital of the new high and new lows. In the last 10 days, if you take, it was almost same. Both sides were almost similar, at times even giving way for bears. Now it has fully turned in the favor of bulls. On Friday, 116 stocks reached new high, and while only 11 had new lows. Of the market capitalization, we had 2,297 lakh crores of market capitalization supporting the new high, while only 12 lakh crores is supporting the new lows. So huge difference on the bullish side. So what all these numbers are and views say is that market is in neutral zone. It needs caution on positions. Use a mean reversion system which will give better trades now. Tighten stops on trend following. At the same time, tide is changing. Bulls are on their way back to the markets. Look for opportunities to build positions. So bulls are on the way coming to the market. Now we'll go to find which sectors are looking good at this juncture. Pharma leads the pack. Whole market is being supported by pharma. 20,000 crores of new buying, net new buying has happened in the last 10 days in pharma sector, led by Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. Out of 10 days, 6 days were bullish days for pharma. Followed by metals sector, adding about 13,000 crores of net buying in the last 10 days. Tata Steel leads this pack. Further, supported by TCS from the software sector, automobile sector also leads with Maruti and Tata Motors giving a huge push on their prices. So these are the supporting sectors in the market today. What are weak? Banking and financials, consumer durables are losing shine. Money is moving away from banking. Private banks are losing heavily. Financial sector, NBFCs are also losing. Consumer durables, which were strong, is losing, while their Titan is showing strength. These money that is getting out from these sectors are slowly moving to pharma, metals, automobiles and software. So look for buying in metals, pharma, auto and software for trading positions, as well as stocks to add into your portfolio. So this much for the big picture this week. We shall look at how the trend changes in the coming weeks. Thank you.